Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to see page views in Notion. So to start with, you need to open up your Notion account and you need to find the page that you want to see the views of. So I'm going to find one of my pages. So I've got my weekly to-do list here. So to find the page views to see if anyone's been looking at your new page, you need to go to the top right-hand corner where the three dots are. So by clicking on there, you've got lots of different options, but I'm going to scroll down to where it says updates and analytics. So clicking on there, you can see like the different updates that you've made. And if you click on analytics, it shows the different viewers of your page. So you can change it to like the last 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, or all time, and see any different people who have either looked at your page or edited your page. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.